So we're going to try and turn this, take this apart and turn it into a trailer. Sadly, everything is almost apart, but these live bolts that were supposed to secure this in here, at least that one you can see. Not sure about this one. I don't know if there's one in there, but based on this point, there is one. They didn't really even retain in that. Sadly, when I took this off, it split somehow, and this head, it broke off inside there, the rest of the screw. Right there, as you can see, but then we had to do some more breaking to recover yet another screw, sadly. Use the impact driver.